Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in this video, we want to actually look at how to write a file using Elixir. And Elixir has a built-in file module that we're going to use to actually open a file that doesn't exist within our root directory of our project here. We have this first.exs file, and we're going to write in some information. We're going to say, okay, and then we pass in the name of file, and that's actually saying, okay, this is what we want file to signify, that if you do open successfully, then file is going to equal file.open, and then we pass in an actual location to the file that we actually want to create. So we'll just say test file.txt. So that's going to be the file type, and then we're going to say we want it to be a file type of write. And now we're going to use the IO module again, because we're going to say something called bin write, and then we say file, which is the name of the file that we actually created, using file.open. And here is where we actually reference the string. So I could have a string defined up here if I wanted to. I could say my string equals Chris was here. All right, and then here I could just statically type information as a string like that, and that would write to the file, or I could reference my string variable, which I'm going to do. And then we want to actually close off the file. We want to close it so it frees up those system resources. And we say file.close, and then we give it the file name. Now, once again, this is, if you guys remember, this is an atom, or also known as a symbol in other languages. But it's just a static variable where the value equals the variable name. So it's just a convention for opening files. All right, so let's go ahead and open up our command line. And we're going to run Elixir first.exs. All right, so now if we look in here, you can see testfile.txt is in there. If we open this up, you can see Chris was here. So this was referencing this string, but this string could be an entire HTML page. In fact, if we wanted to, we could change this file type to an HTML page, and this could just be static HTML, where we say HTML, head. So this is all just HTML text. All right, there we go. So now when we go ahead and we create this file, we're creating a test file.html, and if we run this, we now have testfile.html, and if we'd open it up in our Explorer, you can see that I have Chrome as my default browser. So if I open this up, you can see that we have actual HTML that's printed to the screen, so the header of Hello World. So that's how you create a file within the Elixir programming language. Make sure you guys subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye. Hey guys, so a lot of you ask me, how do I get my foot in the door to become a programmer? And I just want to take a moment to mention Dev Mountain Coding Bootcamp is a 12-week intensive course that focuses on the technologies of the here and now for web development. Some of the things that they're actually teaching in this 12-week course, it's geared to get you into the industry by focusing on things like jQuery, Node.js, React, Angular, how to use GitHub. So a lot of the things that you're going to need to do as a developer, as soon as you start, they're going to be teaching you in this coding bootcamp, and the entire goal is to be able to get you into the industry within 12 weeks. So if you guys are interested in learning more information about Dev Mountain Coding Bootcamp, just check out the link in the description tab of this video. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.